Hello and welcome to another edition of Autocar India's Quick News, your weekly roundup of everything new in the automotive industry. Before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to the Autocar India channel and hit that bell icon to be notified of all the new and exciting videos coming out. Maruti Suzuki has announced the price of the Wagon R Bioflex at Rs 7.24 lakh. Based on the top spec ZXi Plus, it becomes India's first production flex fuel car. Earlier only offered to commercial buyers, Maruti has now also opened bookings for private buyers as well. The Bioflex commands a premium of 86,000 rupees over the equivalent petrol manual ZXi Plus. Here is a look at the price list. Power comes from the same 1.2-litre petrol engine producing 91 horsepower and 114 Nm paired with a 5-speed manual. The difference is that it can run on fuel up to 85% ethanol. To make this possible, it gets upgraded fuel injectors, revised fuel pumps, new fuel lines, a recalibrated ECU, and an ethanol sensor. Apart from flex fuel decals and a Bioflex badge on the tailgate, there are no major visual changes. Equipment includes a 7-inch touchscreen, 6 airbags, ESP, and rear parking sensors. Mini has launched the locally assembled Countryman C in India at Rs 47.5 lakh. Undercutting the imported and performance-focused JCW by around 19 lakh. The Countryman C uses a 1.5-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine producing 156 horsepower and 240 Nm. Power is sent to the front wheels only through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Mini claims a 0 to 100 time of 9 seconds and a top speed of 212 kph, while efficiency is said to be 15.92 kpl. The new generation has a more upright look than the last one, with LED lighting all around and customizable light signatures. In terms of size, it is slightly larger than your average mid-size SUV and rides on 19-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. Inside, the cabin features a large 9.4-inch circular OLED touchscreen that controls most vehicle functions. It also gets a heads-up display, Harman Kardon sound system, and a panoramic glass roof. Safety kit includes ADAS, a 360-degree camera, and reversing assist. Mercedes-Benz has launched the updated S-Class in India with prices starting at Rs 2.2 crore. For the first time, it comes with a plug-in hybrid powertrain, which is the only powertrain offered for now. The S450e combines a 3-litre 6-cylinder turbo petrol engine with an electric motor and a 22 kWh battery pack. Total system output stands at 435 horsepower and 680 Nm. Mercedes claims it can travel up to 115 kilometers on electric power alone. It can also charge from 10 to 80% in just 20 minutes using a 60 kilowatt charger. Updates outside include a larger grille, new digital light LED headlamps, and revised tail lamps featuring illuminated Mercedes star graphics. Inside, it gets the new MBUX Super Screen with 3 displays across the dashboard. Other highlights include executive rear seats, Burmester audio, rear entertainment screens, and adaptive air suspension. Porsche has opened order books for the latest 911 GT3 in India with prices starting at Rs 3.33 crore before options. Power comes from a screamer of a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 that revs to 9,000 rpm. In India, it can only be mated to the 7-speed PDK. Outputs are 510 horsepower and 450 Nm, which are good for a 0 to 100 time of 3.4 seconds and a top speed of 311 kph. The GT3 gets rear wheel steering, torque vectoring, active suspension, and a lightweight sports exhaust system. Buyers can also opt for the Weissach pack with carbon fiber bits and a roll cage, while the Extreme Manthe kit adds track-focused aero and chassis upgrades. The wingless touring pack, though, is not on offer. In two-wheeler news, Kawasaki has launched the 2026 Ninja 500 at Rs 5.76 lakh. The bike is mechanically unchanged but is now E20 compatible. The Ninja 500 continues with its 451cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine producing 45 horsepower and 42.6 Nm. A 6-speed gearbox with slip-and-assist clutch comes standard. Unlike rivals, the Ninja still uses a conventional telescopic fork and keeps features to a minimum. It gets a Bluetooth-compatible LCD display and dual-channel ABS. At Rs 5.75 lakh, the Ninja 500 is now 10,000 rupees more expensive than before and remains significantly pricier than rivals such as the Aprilia RS 457. And that's a wrap for Quick News this week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week.